Okay friends, I just wanted to say that I made this texture, this brick wall texture, as you can see, with Krita AI Plugin, and I brought these textures, prepared them inside Blender. It's not perfect. I enabled some displacements, as you can see. It's not perfect, but it was very quick, and I managed to create these textures the style I wanted in Krita AI. This is a process. I simply added a plane inside Blender, then I used this what is it called, quick edit from the view. I went like that, then I used this quick edit, and I went to Krita and I generated this texture. The first textures were like this, I kept editing, then I reached to something like this. Then inside Krita I went to this live version and I started painting, drawing moss, for this, and I was getting the result in the live section. Then I went enhancing this inside Krita AI, and I think I end up with something like this. And I kind of fixed the textures because I scaled it in Blender. I went to this free version of the shader map. I generated my maps, and then I again brought these textures into Krita. I scaled this 4 times, 4x, and I made a 4K version of the texture. Then I started with 70% refine this texture. It was this, as you can see. Then I refined it and I got something with better resolution. And then I also blurred the displacement because it was giving me some weird results. Then inside Blender, as you can see, I got something like this, which is not terrible if you ask me. You can create create or manage your own textures inside Krita. What kind of voice is this? I think it's a kid. Sorry about that. So you can generate your own textures with Krita AI and use them as professional textures kind of inside Blender for your whatever games and stuff. This can be as a base, for other stuff, Quickset Mixer, Substance Painter, or inside Blender painting as well. But the process is very interesting because you create textures, and I don't think this is any copyrighted problem at all. It's just a brick wall. You can find this inside Google as well. You're not like using someone's image for painting stuff, right? This is just a brick wall. You can do leather, you can do grass there, whatever, right? Then you can bring them here and prepare them. As you can see, like, it's not perfect. I'm not Blender master or anything, but you can create some pretty cool results from with. Also, this is EVNext, and ray tracing is on and everything. You can play with the exposure here, make it look better. So yeah, the process is very cool. I mean, you can use it for reference creation. I'm going to create tutorials about that inside Krita. But you can also generate textures and send them to Blender, especially with what is it called, the quick edit technique. And with edit externally, you can communicate with Krita directly and create some really cool stuff with it. This was a very cool, fast result. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You can layer them and use mask and do lots of crazy stuff. Yeah, I mean, you could just download textures, but making your own versions with your own control and stuff, this is much fun. I don't know why the mouse is inside. I needed to, for example, use layers, but this is cool. I want to dig in about the Blender AI add-ons, the free Blender AI add-ons. I'm looking for, checking them right now. There are some, for example, this AI render stable diffusion in Blender. They also might be very useful. I'm going to dig in, but this Krita AI thing is super powerful, guys, and it's all free. It's running locally on my machine, and you can really create very powerful stuff. I highly recommend checking it out. Okay, yeah, use Krita AI plugin. It's very powerful. You can use it for drawing, painting, or you can use it to generate textures for you inside Blender using the quick edit and image external editing inside Blender. You can communicate it with Krita, and it's going to be really powerful, guys. Seriously, it's very powerful, and I highly recommend checking it out. Alright, thanks, and let me see if I could show the render too. Where is it? Yeah, this is the render. Thank you. Bye for now.